Here's how the tube-fired system works. Specially designed baffles or heat deflectors are inserted to the interior of the tubes. These baffles absorb and diffuse the heat to the 6-inch high tube walls. The tall tube walls heat the oil more efficiently and provide a fast recovery with less oil absorption. Because of the efficiencies we have designed into this system, we optimize our BTU output. The thermostat ranges from 200 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and has a high-limit safety shutoff. The tube-fired fry pot has radius-formed edges, which adds durability and extends the life of the fryer. To ensure consistency, we precision weld our fry pots with robots. All seams are welded and the fryer tubes are welded to the fry pot. These tubes are designed with 2 types of stainless steel to maintain weld integrity over time. The tubes extend through the fry pot front to back. The weld is on the outside, so it doesn't have flame contact. Durability and reliability are hallmarks of Imperial fryers. To maintain perfect alignment during shipping and installation, our fry pots are strapped to the chassis of the fryers. Clearing unwanted oil and debris out of fryers is important for producing a great-tasting product. We use a 1 1/4 inch full-port drain valve. It just drains better than our competitors' 1-inch valve. The tube-fire fry pot design works in conjunction with the drain. It slopes in 2 directions, the sides toward the center of the bottom, and the bottom slopes toward the front drain. This makes draining faster and more thorough. Both styles of fry pots have cool zones below the heat source. This area captures small particles and holds them out of the frying area where they can carbonize. This reduces flavor transfer and oil scorching. The net result is increased life of the cooking oil.